Hi, I want to show you something really cool with Excel, Power BI, and Business Central. So what I have here is I'm just in Excel. I'm logged in with my Office 365 account, which is the same for my Business Central and the same for my Power BI. I have this Excel report, and you can see I've got 5 items listed here. These happen to be my customer numbers. Now, one of the things I did, and this is just to show you the end result, not how to do it, but I have in Power BI, I set up a data set and published it for my Business Central customers. And you know it's mine because the description, I misspelled the word customers. And what I did was I marked this as something that could be used for data types. And again, this is not the how-to. That'll come later, but this is the end result. So what I'm going to do is just highlight all of these, which happen to be customer numbers. I'm going to go ahead and just click on this, and it automatically said, hey, this is the customers that we found. Now again, I can simply click on this list and I could come in and I can add other kinds of information. Like I could add the balance due. I could come in and add my aging bucket. Look at this. Now, whoops, I dropped my list there. Let's come back and select again. So I did, what did I do already? 0. Okay, had to remember where I was. So, okay, so I did that one. I got to do this one, and then I got to do one last one. Okay, so I'm going to come in and mark those up. Okay, so these are, this is like, is that not amazing? And if I wanted to, I could come in and I could add in, like, I don't know, maybe the state that they live in, and there's the state. This is fascinating to me. So this is Excel using the data types and the specifically a data set that I've marked as data types in my Power BI service connected to my Business Central. Whoa, my mind is going just crazy. So I got to give a big shout out to Microsoft's own senior program manager, Blazej, Kotelko, for showing me how to do this, and I'll be doing a video on it soon. And thanks to my great friends Krzysztof, Jeremy, and Gert and Shawn, who hung out with me after the Power Up session yesterday for Power Platform and Business Central to do this together. Woohoo!